Yep, this is the death of a worm. How long will he live? Did they get it? Yeah, they got it. Is it gone?
No, they're fighting over it. Oh, that's gone.
That one's gone? Okay, next worm. Oh, that's a healthy looking worm. They're very hungry birds. Don't tease them, Mike. They need to eat. Oh. Did they find it?
Yeah, they're fighting over it.
Okay, got another one?
No, that's it.
Oh, there's just they eat that worm right up, don't they? Fighting over a worm. Okay, well that's the chickens eating a worm here at Highland. These are some small copper beech seedlings that we have available here at Highland Hill Farm, and as you can see, they do vary in color. You see some darker reds, lighter reds, and inside, where it's very shady, it's green. A lot of this has to do with the genetics of the tree, plus the amount of sunlight the trees are receiving. The interiors here will be a little bit greener, the exteriors a little bit redder, and there are some that are deeper in color than others, and that has to do with the fact that these are grown from seed. We also have a variety of other trees, plants, and shrubs for you to look at here at Highland Hill Farm. And this is an interesting selection. This is a river birch. We grow them in pots with multiple stems. We put 3 seedlings together to give you a multiple stem plant. These are some of our blueberry plants ready to go. These are Japanese maples. Down below, more river birch, Lombardy poplars, and these little tiny plants down in here are dawn redwoods. Plus we have some larger hollies. These are Nellie Stevens hollies, and some larger forsythia, and way down by where the sprinklers are going, that's fruit trees. So just give us a call at 215-651-8329. We have thousands of trees, plants, and shrubs for you here at Highland Hill Farm. This is our Chamaecyparis nucatensis green arrow. We have one in our yard. It's about 12 foot tall to the top. It's a pillar-shaped conifer. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. We can dig it out. Over on the side here you can see some viburnums in bloom, as well as a large cryptomeria. So just give us a call, 215-651-8329. That's a Chamaecyparis nucatensis green arrow. Thank you. These are our skipped laurels. We have 2 sizes. We have a larger size that's about 32 inches in a 7-gallon pot, and a smaller size in a 5-gallon pot. The smaller sizes are 35 and the larger sizes are 55 for the calendar year 2010. We also have bush-type laurels, the autoleucans, and we sell a lot of other types of trees, plants, and shrubs here at Highland Hill Farm. And out there you can see some of our arborvitaes and cypresses. We're growing on quite a few acres here in Doylestown and Fountainville, and we also have quite a large amount of acreage up in Milan, PA, where we grow a lot more nursery stock. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for laurels. We're here at Highland Hill Farm. Thank you. This is a block of 3-foot Leland cypresses that we ship across the East Coast. We also can install them. These are a fast-growing screening tree. You can give us a call at 215-651-8329 for a quote on delivery and installation, or just delivery. They're fast-growing. They grow upwards to 3 feet a year. You will probably want to stake them We do not stake them for you, but we will deliver plant, and if you get 20 or more, we usually put in a free drip water line system to help you maintain them. So again, give us a call, 215-651-8329.